how to use the Pilot app for new drivers in 2020. Today I will be doing a walkthrough on the Pilot and Flying J app. Now this walkthrough and review is for new drivers and old drivers who do not know how to use the app. Without further ado, let's get into the app. Now, as you see in the app, you see what's the Pilot and the Flying J is it's pretty awesome. Now, the Pilot and Flying J, they their app is very put together. Like you have the Pilot and Flying J gives you deals. Like it says in the upper top of the screen, it says valid Tuesday only. Tuesday is for due day. Buy one, get one free, any Mountain Dew 20 ounce. Let's click on that. So they give you special offers and stuff like that at the Pilot and Flying J through the app, which I never used, but it's pretty awesome that they do that. Now it says now they automatically on their app they give you nearby locations. It says come visit us. So in my location I got Newburgh, I have New Jersey, and I also have Mahwah, New Jersey, which everybody has been to Mahwah, New Jersey. Everybody's been to that Pilot right there before. So, and then you have your go to map. With this, you also have every Pilot and Flying J in America, and also in also as well in Canada as well too. So you see, you got all the Flying J's and Pilots, and you also have Speedways too, which is on this app, which I did not know because my company does not use Pilot and Flying J. We're strictly only to Petrol and TA. So this is pretty neat that you see every Flying J and Petrol in America and in Canada as well. It's pretty neat. You can also you got your favorite locations. You got your truck care. You got your filters, which in filters you got the favorite truck care, prime parking. You got your fuel types: diesel, DEF, diesel 1, DDS, DDS2, DDS L2, unleaded plus, and super. That's for cars. You also have your store type. You got all Pilot, Flying J, and 19. You got your search radius, which is 50 miles, starting from 50 miles to 250 miles. You got top amenities. You got diesel showers, prime parking spots. You got diesel mobile fueling, premium Wi-Fi. You have all your amenities. And they also on this app, on the on the Petrol, on the Pilot and Flying J, they also tell you what type of food that they have in that location you're going to. So let me go back. Disregard. Now back at home. Now I have no new messages because I don't really use Flying J and Pilot. It tells you how many points you have, which I got 1,600. How many offers I've saved. So my saved offers I have 0, but there's available offers is 10. My shower power is inactive because I don't use it. Now you go in here, shower power. It tells you how many. Oh wow, this is new. So basically, it's just gallons fueled this month, current status, and then shower credits. So it says you need 50 gallons. You need 50 gallons fill. 50 gallons equals one credit. So you can get 50 gallons to get one shower. So for every 50 gallons, you get a shower, which is pretty neat. And then you got your coffee club. I don't drink coffee, so for you guys who do drink coffee, you can get free coffees after your 9th one. Yeah, you get a free coffee after your 9th one. You also got that says save 25% off all deli foods, wings, tenders, pizza, hot dogs, and etc. You got again with the save 25% off all deli food, and then you got your 24-hour call truck care assistance, and then you have offers as well. So save an offer for the best deals in store. Which I do not use. Let's go to fuel. Fuel, you can do mobile fueling. I never used this before. You got it says why use mobile fueling? Safer, quicker, and easier, and more organized. Basically, some of these locations we go to is just outright unorganized when it comes to outside and with the trucks. So if there's a way that you can pay for your fuel before you have your fuel already authorized before you get there, so you can just go straight to the pump, it's so much easier. You have your map, which you guys already seen. You have your rewards. You have your profile. Profile's all in here. You can also reserve your parking spot from here too as well. So it says I'm about 18 miles away from Newburgh, New York, the Pilot Travel Center. It also tells you what highway it is, the highway and exit number. It also tells you what's the dollar amount for fuel. It also tells you how many fuel lines they have, and it also tells you how many parking spots they have. And then you can get directions. You can do reserve parking, which is the same thing with the petrol and the TA. You can plug in your information and then save it, and then when you ready to when you are like 20-30 miles away and you know you're going to that specific truck stop, you can reserve a parking spot straight from the app. So when you get there, you just pull straight into your parking spot without no questions asked. You can just reserve it and then go straight to your parking spot when you get there, which is easy, simple, and quick. And so it tells you, it says choose your option, how many days you want it for, if you guys are doing a 34-hour reset. Alright, as you see, it says choose your option. It says dates from the 18th to the 19th. Check in at 4 p.m. and check out is by 3 p.m. the next day. You have your different space type. You have your semi, bobtail, and RV. You can the quantity of spaces, you can reserve up to 5 spaces if you are oversized. You got your price per night, number of nights, and quality, or how many spaces you want, and the subtotal price is $18. Now to recap, you have it tells you The pilot, it tells you the pilot, and it also tells you the location number, which the one near me in Newburgh is the location number is 394, and then it also gives you the number. It also tells you it has a restaurant there, and it also tells you it has showers. Now, spaces available for semis. It says 20 spaces left, so it gives you that information. It also gives you how many spaces are left for bobtails, which bobtail is actually cheaper than a truck and a trailer. And then, as you see, it has RV spaces, which is not available. So let me go back. With this, you can picture, this is your profile. You can put a picture here, and then you got messages, you got transactions, and then your account. You got your personal information, you got your email, password, wallet code. You also have your earn free rewards. You also have your wallet, manage payment card, manage my rewards card. You got get help for all questions. Call truck care assistance, call guest services, give app feedback. You got your settings, which is language, theme setting, app setting, notification settings. If you have an iPhone or an Android phone with Face ID recognition, it also has that option as well, so you can turn it on. So when you pick up your phone, it just recognize your voice, and it goes, and you are automatically into your app. You got your legal terms of condition, privacy. You got your do not sell my personal information, that stuff. And then the app version is 5.8.0. As you can see, the Petrol and Flying J app is well put together. It's put together well. Everything is put together well. Just like I said. Alright, that ends this video. This is the first time you're watching my video. Hit the like and subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell down below for more updates on more of my videos. And here's 2 more videos here and here.